Today I'm going to teach you how to add and resize columns in Card. This is incredibly useful when you want to create a more structured layout for your website, allowing you to organize content side by side in a professional manner. First, open your web browser and head over to card.co. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the correct account where you want to build or edit your site. After logging in, look at the upper right panel of your screen. Here you'll see an option that says plus new site. Click on that if you're starting fresh, or if you already have a site you'd like to work on, simply select and edit your existing site instead. This flexibility allows you to either begin from scratch or improve what you've already built. Next, you'll be presented with several template options. Navigate to blank page and click select. Starting with a blank page gives you full creative control over the layout and structure without any predefined elements getting in the way. Now that you have your blank canvas, it's time to add the column structure. In the upper right corner, click the plus button. A menu will appear with various elements you can add to your site. From this menu, select Container. This is the foundational element that will hold your columns. Once the container is added, navigate to the Type option within the container settings. Click the drop-down menu and select Columns. This transforms your container into a multi-column layout, which is exactly what we're aiming for. By default, you might only see a couple of columns. To add more, scroll down within the Settings panel and click Add. This will insert an additional column into your layout. You can repeat this step if you need even more columns for your design. Now, let's customize the width of each column to fit your vision. Go back to the left panel where you'll see options for each individual column. Navigate to the left column and adjust the width by typing in your preferred size. This could be a percentage or a specific pixel value depending on how you want your layout to look. Then, move on to the middle column and do the same thing. Type in the width you want for this column. Having control over each column's width means you can create balanced or asymmetrical designs depending on your content needs. Next, navigate to the right column and adjust its width as well by typing your preferred size. Take your time here to ensure the proportions feel right for the kind of content you're planning to display. Optionally, for even more control over your layout, click the Appearance button in the upper left panel. Here, you can adjust the appearance width by using the slider. This affects the overall width of the container itself, giving you another layer of customization. You can also adjust the vertical and horizontal padding, as well as the gutters between columns. These settings help fine-tune the spacing and ensure your content doesn't feel cramped or too spread out. Once you're satisfied with all your adjustments, click Done in the left panel. Now, you'll notice the different sizes of each column clearly displayed on your page. You've successfully created a custom column layout that matches your design needs perfectly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.